Hey guys, how you doing? I just got off work. I got some news today. Well, first, I got off work. I'm gonna drop off the work truck, which I'm in right now. Go pick up the Maverick, and not only am I gonna have the Maverick right now, I'm gonna install the tonneau cover. I got the backflip G2 tonneau cover, but I got it from one vendor that I know. I'll link the info below. However, I'm gonna have a little helper today. After I pick up my Maverick and I throw the tonneau cover in the bed with a box, obviously it's in a box, I want to go pick up Sebastian so he can help me. I told you this is a family channel. I'm on my way home, get the Maverick, get the tonneau cover, pick up Sebastian, and have fun. So I will talk to you guys in a little while. Alright, I'm in my Maverick, check. Tonneau cover in the box, check. And no Sebastian, no assistant, which I'm gonna go pick him up right now. So stay tuned. Hi. Did you have a good day? Hey, Sebastian, I'm gonna need help to do a project. I don't know where to get help. I need to find help because I have to do something to the truck and I really need help. Okay, but it's a little big project, so I'm gonna need a not just a little help, but a little big help. Okay? Okay, you ready? You're gonna use some tools. You're gonna use a drill. You're gonna use
my tools?
It's kind of like your tools in your toolbox, but they're daddy's one because this is gonna be a big project that needs a little bigger tools. Okay? You ready? Okay, cool. Cool beans. And you had an amazing day.
Are you doing that project for me?
Basically, yeah. You'll see what the project is, okay? Okay, let's go somewhere where we can have fun and we can park and do the project in the truck, okay? Okay. Having a 3.5-year-old wouldn't have it any other way. Right, mijo?
Yep.
Right, almost done. We're almost done, puppy. We just need to put these. Come over here so you can put these stickers. You're gonna put this one right here. Just press it right there. All right.
My hands are really dainty. Huh.
these papers so hard to take out? Okay. Then you're gonna put this one. Hold on. Let me check really quick. Gonna open the tonneau cover. Okay, here, come over here. Gonna put it right here. Okay, right there. Press. You are doing your work. Okay. And then you're gonna look. You're gonna put the other one right here. So that way when we open this, it doesn't hit the window and hopefully it doesn't break. So that's why we put these cushion stuff. These are called, I want to call them buffers.
Those are buffers.
Yeah.
We will pretend them.
Okay, we can pretend that. Any day now. There you go. All right, Ben, come over here. Put this one right. Put this one right here. Right here, mira. Right there. All right. See? Right? This came out really good. Very nice. Very nice. You can see the mess. Somebody spilled some material, but can't get mad at him. And hold on, mijo. Then, excuse me, puppy. Excuse me. When you close it, oh, hold on. There's a little gap right here, and I'll show you really quick what that's all about. All right, that is this rubber right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. This hits the back of the tailgate. Oh, there you go. See all this? Hits this part. Excuse me, puppy. Sits on this right here. So when you close it, there's a small little gap. That's the only thing I don't like. But other than that, it has a very nice profile. Obviously, there's a little gap here, but that's once the weather gets warmed up, it'll start going down. This is where I anticipate it leaking. Right here, this corner right here, right there. This corner right here. I can put, yeah. So far I like it. I just installed it right now, so I'm not gonna say I don't like it. But I can already tell that the end, this part right here, I'll have leaks, which is understandable, especially on this side and the other side. I'm impressed though. So now all I have to do is put the drain hoses and I'll be done. Very easy. We're almost done, puppy. Very nice. The other thing is, this side, the right side, has this clip. This one doesn't have the clip. Not happy about it, but good thing I didn't throw the trash away. Found that clip. Sebastian, come over here. Hey, come over here. Here, come on. Put this in there. Push it. No. No, not yet. Get it? And you have to press it. There you go. Oh, sorry. Are you okay? Okay, puppy. Now you can clip that. Put that. Hold on. And clip it right there. Perfect. Okay, don't lean on it. Don't pull it though, but that's awesome. So look, mira, we have this. And we have that one. Awesome. So now if we need to leave that open, look, we get this right here, get it? Get it? And then you're gonna put it all the way over here. And then there, and then we're gonna slide this down all the way down and screw this like that. And that way it's not that sturdy. All right, final result. So, backtrack. Oh, okay. Yeah, do that one too. All right. Let's see, puppy. Windows are tinted. Check. Tonneau cover. Check. And Linux on the bed, check. So now all we need is the lift, tires, and rims. Not that bad. Stay tuned. Hi guys, good morning. Say hi. Okay, so I've had the tonneau cover. It's gonna be a little bit noisy because I'm in a car wash. So I had the tonneau cover for like about a week and a half, 2 weeks. Yes, we're in a car wash, puppy. So I had the tonneau cover for like about a week and a half. It hasn't rained in Vegas because it's dry, it's hot. So today's gonna be a test day if the tonneau cover leaks. The video that it installed it, I had like a little suspicion here and there on where it might leak, which is gonna be understandable. It's usually where the tailgate opens, but we'll check it now. I want to see how the little tubes work, if they drain out to the bottom of the truck as well. One thing is for sure, since I've installed it, when I drive, the little times that I've driven in the freeway, it's not as loud in the cab anymore because there's no like wind in the bed, like there's no resistance, I guess, and there's no air circulating in the bed that makes it like noisier in the cab. I think that might be an issue that some people might say that it's too noisy in the cab when you're driving fast in the freeway, but once I put the tonneau cover, I really didn't hear that much. The noise in the cab wasn't that much anymore. Anyway, we'll see if it leaked, and stay tuned. All right, guys, back. Maverick looks nice and clean. Tonneau cover looks beautiful. Now the moment of truth. it leaked right here. And back over there. Which that doesn't, you know what? As a matter of fact, okay. And then like it's supposed to. Okay. I think I messed up because, and I'll show you why. So you see the I didn't put that hose all the way in that little corner there. But the other thing is you leak from this corner right here and this corner right here. Okay, right there. And I'll show you why. That's my mistake. And I actually happy I did this mistake. So if in case you guys get this tonneau cover, this part right here is lifted because I put this right here, which I think I wasn't supposed to put it. So I'm gonna end up having to take this off, and that way it doesn't leak, because I can safely say this is where it leaked, right there. So nice, good investment. Other than that, I'm happy with it. I'm not gonna complain. Like I suspected, obviously, right here, this channel right here, it'll start leaking there, but it shouldn't make a big difference. This leak right here was because of the hose and that back part, which, like I said, is my fault. So pretty cool. Just doing a follow-up. You guys take care.